Hello and welcome to my channel, that is Let's Learn IT. In this video, I am going to explain about functions in Python. Functions are very important in our programming language. Remember the function print function. In the print function, we are giving some text and the print function is printing that particular text for us in our programming language. Python function. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. So, we can pass data known as parameters into a function. For example, in print function, we are giving some text and that print function will print it. For example, you have created your own function print my name and you have given your name as a parameter there. So it will print your name. Next, a function can return data as a result. If you have created a function that will take two numbers and it will return is addition, multiplication or any result you want, that can be easily returned by a function. Okay, so next point I can see here. Next point we will see creating a function. How to create a function? In a Python, function is defined using the def keyword. We have to put def keyword, then our function name, and our function will be created. Calling a function. How to call a function? We have created our function. Now we use that particular function name followed by parenthesis and we can call the function. Similarly, like we call our print function. Scope of variable, local scope, global scope. If you have defined a variable above that function, so it will work as a global scope. But if you have defined a variable inside that particular function, so it will work as a local scope or a local variable. Parameter passing. Information can be passed into functions as arguments or parameter. So we can specify the function name inside the parenthesis. You can add as many as arguments you want. Just separate them with a comma. So for example, you are printing addition of a two numbers, three numbers, four numbers. So just you have to put a comma there and you can give your function. Next point, we just see a practical example here of function. I have opened Python shell and inside that Python shell, I am creating a function. For that, I have given def keyword and I have given my function country Norway. This is a default value I have given here. Now next, I will give some points inside my function. So I have to print a country name. So I will give here print. Afterwards, I will give I am from and country. So country is variable here. It will print its name. Next, how to call that function? I will call now my function. My function. I am typing here my function and I am giving here country name, that is Sweden. I have typed here Sweden. Now we will see what is the result. The result is I am from Sweden. Next, another example I have given. I have called my function India. So result is I am from India. Another example we will take my function and here I am just giving a blank. So the default value I have given inside when I created my function country Norway, that it will be printed here. Now we will take another example for global and local scope. So x is equal to 300. I have typed here x is equal to 300. Now I am creating a function def my function and inside that I have given the value of x is 200. Print inside that I have given x variable. Now see the value is 300 print here. Now think what will happen if I will print x inside my function. What value it will print? This is work for you. Now practice this function and create this function in your computer. print the x value inside the function and see the result, and let me also know that you have done it in the practical, and you also you have understood the concept of local and global concept. Now we will move on to the next page. Here, mutable and immutable objects in Python, we can see. There are the two types of object in Python, mutable and immutable. And it is decided when we define the objects. Now, immutable objects, the example of immutable objects are like int, float, bool, string. And immutable objects can't be changed after it is created. But mutable objects examples are list, disk, sets, and these custom classes are generally mutable. We can change its states after we have created it. Next is next is thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked the video. If you liked my video, please press the like button, and if you have any doubt in this information, you can ask in comment box. If you have liked my video and you have not subscribed my channel, so I will tell you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.